Okay, let's get back into it then. Are you on here? Blow this place. Oh, rich people. Can I have some money, please? What did you have to pay 5,000 gil to buy a piece of junk like that? It's not junk. Oh, she mad, bro. She mad. This is the King family action site. Oh yeah, this is where she's gonna be like, yeah. So we should be able to find the princess here. There she is. Princess, thank goodness I found you. I was worried. How can I find this super stuff when I keep having to listen to your complaints? Such harsh words. I don't think it's here anyway. Where's Marcus? I do not know. Maybe Marcus found it already. Are you coming? I'm going. With or without you? I shall follow you, princess. Yeah, I've seen before. Yeah, that's is it Kuja? Oh, yeah, Kuja, I think. So where do we go here? Oh, nice. Money, money, money. Do I want to go up there or not? Is that way to go? I don't think so. Yeah, no, I don't think you can actually go up there. You need a mirror. Okay. So I can't really go through the. Can I go in there? Let me in, dude. The door's like wide open, dude. Let me in. What the fuck, dude? Bro. Whatever. So I guess we have to go back? I'm really confused. Look at that cat, is so ugly. Well, we came from there, so if we go down this way then. What is this? Dad, don't. Mom doesn't like it when you gamble. Shit, dude. I'm gonna win today. I get your new card. Oh, you did. This card game stadium is a gathering place for nobles. No, I'm right. Yeah. Cars for sales. Buy some before you enter the stadium. Oh, you can actually buy some cars. Cool. I think I found some though. I think I got some cards. Yeah. Just I got a bunch of these ones. I got 27 apparently. Okay. It's beautiful. I'll come back with someone else. What do you want? Nothing to say to you. Relax with you. Sorry guys. I'm a little bit sick today. Okay. Oh, are you making noodles? I can smell them. Yeah. Where do you go? This is a pretty big city, so I'm looking around. Oh, this is the entrance though. This is the entrance, yeah. Yeah, this is the entrance. So which way would have Marcus gone? Not sure. Actually, yeah, this is where, yeah, that's where the guy took my money. Yeah, there's someone here that took my money. Oh, where did he go then? Oh, I've been there. Yeah, like he pickpocketed my money. It wasn't him though. There are shops sell items from all over. It's an excellent place to prepare for a journey. I have to get my usual. House here, nice. Not locked, so everything's green. This is the auction house, isn't it? The auction house. So can we find, maybe we can find Kuya. Bishop, the master of this mansion, likes to fund scholars, scholastics research. He also runs a synthetic shop and rents out a nearby tower to a researcher. Rich people do strange things. Welcome. Oh, we can do like I said this as yeah. Okay. We can do a gold choker or a coral ring. Equipment. Auto potion, that's not cool. Also shell. But I want to get I want to get antibody just in case. Yeah. Well, I think that's kind of cool. Actually, yeah. Well, this is kind of cool. What about you, buddy? Add status. Alert and HP, but plus 20, which is kind of cool for him because he's like, yeah, he's kind of like the tank anyways. So that seems to be everything here, right? Yeah. That's like everything in this place. So where do we go then? Oh. So that's the. Where do we go then? Oh yeah, we haven't been here. Yeah, we haven't been here yet. You brought Stellacia for the Queen Stella. It better not be fake. The bird lady can tell right away. Please bring the Stellacio to the Queen when you find them. The Queen will reward you with a gift when you do, Stellacio. I'm collecting a star-shaped coins called Stellacio. Oh, you have the cancer. Oh, give it to me. Okay. I guess, yeah. We have cancer. Oh, you're most kind. Now give it to me. There you go. I'll give you cancer. If you insist. Quack, 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 quack. You may take the reward from my servant. Oh, okay, we got money. Cool. So we can collect 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 more? Is it 11? I don't know how many. I mean, how many cages I saw. Hard to tell, but so I guess we have to go to the auction house because because I don't think I can really do much here at this point. Or unless we go into the stadium for the cars, but yeah, the car game is a bit weird. Step inside and the tournament begins. Okay. Yeah, oh, wait a moment. No, I'm good, I'm good. I'm okay. Actually, yeah. So that's the coupon. That's the shop, isn't it? And I think over here is the auction, so yeah. I feel like, yeah, there's gotta be something here, right? Because there's gotta be something here, I'm pretty sure. Mini seed. Are we supposed to like win something or what? Yeah, I don't think you can really do much, you know. Okay, I was hoping that the guy would show up like the Kuja at the top, but I don't think he's coming down, is he? So annoying. Anybody? Hello. What's that? Oh, shit. So how do you win these items? There's gotta be a way to win, right? Oh, I'm broke though. I got like no money, dude. How do you raise your hand? That's no question. Oh. Oh, there you go. Mini seed. How much have I got though? Okay. Wait, so do they have the super stuff though or no? Look, that's RG5. No. Do they have it got I don't know sure if they guys have it. No, I saved too much money. I haven't got no money. Nah, I'm broke. I got no money. Which way was it? I'm not. Oh, super. Yeah, I'm not sure where I'm supposed to be here. I'm like mega confused. Yeah, so we're here, yeah. Oh, here we go. Oh, it's lost, something fish is going on, okay. Oh, wait, there. Oh, it's locked, so we can't get in. So how do we get in there? This tower is closed, something fish is gone, yeah. But how do we get in then? How do we like, hello, anybody? Locked. Oh. Really here? Oh. Yeah, I'm kind of confused, yeah, as to where it is. Yeah. So how do we access that place then? Oh, there you go, Marcus, yeah. We're ready to retrieve the super stuff. Good, at last we can stay blank. When do we leave? We can leave right away, so you're coming along, huh? Let's go. Princess! Please wait. Boss waiting at the dock. Boss, you mean? Yep, there's only one man we call boss. Please wait. Maybe a trap. You cannot trust criminals. Oh, dude, shut the fuck up. I think of the consequences. You're a princess. If the queen hears about this, pretty sure the queen is like killing people, dude. Like invading people. Like I'm pretty sure this is the least of her worries. Princess, do you know that breaking and entering is crime? I need to make sure you don't steal anything else. Let's go. Damn it! I'm coming along. It is my duty to protect the princess from bad influence. Do whatever you want. Always talking about your duty. I ain't gonna stop. You got any thoughts of your own? But you talk back to me. I was quoting the princess. I thought you might have changed after traveling with Zidane, but you ain't changed. You even know why you're here. What do you mean? You just go, okay? Oh shit, he's him. The evil guy. How's your mission? Not bad. But if I didn't have to see those vermin and the ugly elephant lady. They offend my senses. I must be tired. Not over yet. The rest of the vermin must be done away with. Will you be heading to Clara then? Yes, I trust you will deliver them. Certainly, I shall prepare now. By the way, did you see a pretty lady in the crowd today? A pretty lady? Shall I arrange a meeting? There's no need. The canary I've been after, she flew into my cage of her own free will. Never would have imagined running into in a place like this. A massive fate. But you cannot rest your wings yet. Fly home to your mother, my little canary. I too will welcome you home with open arms. Yeah, when I go back to that ocean house, I want to see if I can actually win some items. Because, yeah, I'm kind of broke, so I couldn't really do anything. But, yeah. What in the world? I mean, I'm assisting thieves. I am committing a crime. No, I must be patient. Protect the princess. Escort her back to the castle. Focus on your duties. Trust the queen. She would never commit. There must be a good reason. No thoughts of my own. Nonsense. How can I, a lowly knight, understand the queen's thinking? I need not worry about the rumblings of a criminal. Just think about escorting the princess home. I'll probably never see him again. He was a culprit. He pulled the princess and me. What was your falsity then? If you hadn't treated me like a child, I wouldn't be here hunting after super stuff to save one of your friends. Why am I doing this? Because Blank saved me. Yes, he saved me. He saved my life. The least I can do is return the favor. I never thought about things like this before. How are we going to find super stuff in this mountain of boxes? Just find it. Oh, this is the shop that we went to before, yeah. That was coming. Oh, I can't believe I ran out of ink on a night like this. Must find more ink and go back to our observatory. To crime. Wait. Princess now! Huh? You are... I miss you, Dr. Todd. Oh. Princess Garnet! Todd! You know him. The Todd is a highly respected scholar who tutored the princess. Ah, Master Steiner, you must be quiet. Or you'll be waking the shopkeeper. Princess, what on earth are you doing here? Long story, we're looking for super stuff right now. There's a proper reason for this. We're not here to steal or commit any form of crime. Someone's down here. Someone down there. Run along, I will give you super stuff later. Go left from the Treno entrance and continue until you find a large tower. So left. The tower is my home. It's locked, but I shall unlock the door and await your arrival. Alright, let's go. Let's go back. Thank you, Dr. Todd. I'll see you later. Oh, it's you, Dr. Todd. Ah, your timing. I ran out of ink. You should have called me. I'll get it. I'll get you a lot if your inventory is wrong. Princess. So this is gonna give us super stuff. Start. Ahoo! Whatever. I can't believe Tantalus. Not the mercy of some old man. I guess we gotta keep babysitting the princess. Still, I ain't gonna give you a super stuff unless you're with the princess. It's a deal, princess. I'm asking you to take Marcus to this tot. I was going to anyway. Well, get some rest before you go. I'm sure Ted needs time to prepare. Stop. I should be fine, right? I don't have to actually go or no? I should be able to just go, yeah. I gotta just wanna go. But I wanna go left to a tower. I mean, essentially this is the right, yeah, this is the right of the town, so which way would it be? I guess it depends on, yeah, from which perspective you're looking at it from. Betty. Oh, I mean, at least it's only one enemy, it's not two of them. You know, they're gonna like mess me up. Damn, she hits a lot. Well, I'm gonna check. Alright, is it already? Like I saw something over there, I just not sure which way. I guess I gotta explore and try and get some levels anyways. Ooh. What is this music? Ooh. Hello? What is this shit? I can really go for some. Oh. That goes. Oh. What was that about? I guess I wasn't supposed to hit it. I guess I can just like ignore it and then yeah, somehow it'll be okay. Yeah, so the tower is gonna be, yeah, it's gonna be this side, right? It'll be somewhere along here. Oh. I'm sure it'll be somewhere along here. Yeah, the bed is not very strong, so they don't give you like good experience. So yeah, so yeah. Oh wow. That's big damage actually, yeah. Okay, it's not over there, so it's gonna be here, right? In here? Huh? Nothing here? Yeah, I thought it was yeah, it was outside of it. Oh, what is this here? There, they look pretty spooky actually. Chestnut. Let's throw if I can show you. Eat it. Part 20, boys. They don't do damage though, so I wonder what do they do? I'm confused. Sarah. Yes, we can use magic. Ouch. Shriek. Frick. Wait. That can kill you in one go? Wow, okay. That's gonna be unexpected. That can kill you like that, can do that much damage. Oh, I mean the XP is actually crazy good. So I guess it makes sense. Yeah, I guess it makes sense that, yeah. Because goddamn that hurt like a motherfucker. Oh, I could imagine like 3 of them hitting you. Oh my goodness. I feel like I wanna save them. I feel like I want to stay just in case, because yeah, I feel like if it had those chestnuts not missed, I'd be dead right now. Like I'd be like game over. I mean, the XP was good though. So is the tower like closer to the city? Like I'm guessing, no, because I didn't see anything though. Bonk. Bonk. Okay, yeah. Oh, okay. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Ah, that's where it is. Oh, I'm so silly. Oh, it's not outside the city. It's this one here, isn't it? Oh. Thank you for letting me know. Oh, that's me. Oh, Dr. Tot. I wonder if it's like a fucking, I don't know, like a what'd you call it? A trap. Princess, thank you for coming. Welcome to my humble abode. Is your ham? I traveled quite far in search of a sponsor for my research after I departed Alexandria. I finally found one here in Treno. I've grown into a fine young woman. I'm pleased to see you again. Touch, you look quite well. Master Steiner, just quoting the princess. Yes, sir. I deeply regret my earlier actions. Still a straight arrow, aren't you? I'm sure you had your reasons, but I won't ask why. Super stuff is in the box right there. Please take it. Don't mind if I do. Have you no manners? Thank the good doctor. Alright, Master Steiner. This is Gaia. Yes, it's a globe over planet Gaia. I remember your lessons. You remember the rumblings of an old fool. Two phrases are commonly found in documents more than 500 years old. One is dual, the other one is summon a tribe. But 500 years ago, the phrases mysteriously vanished from history. Archaeologist Friedrich Asch theorized that dual refers to the pendant passed down to ruler of Alexandria. But the pendant is much too small to be referring to the same jewel. Other research suggests that a relationship between eidolons and magical stones. At the top. Oh, that's when she was little. Princess, dude, her head is huge still. Why are you reading big books again? Ahaha, I've already read every book in this library. But I think better when I'm surrounded by all books. Really, I don't like books. Your personal dignity is imperative to you study hard. I know, but I was quite taken by that book you gave me. What's it called? Was it I Want to Be Your Canary by Lord Avon? Oh yes, that's the one. So there's a book I like after all. My. What's this, Dr. Tot? That's a globe of Gaia. It's a model of a planet. A Gaia globe? I never knew a castle was shaped like this, like a sphere. Ha ha ha! We live on the surface, princess. Ah yes, the stars that inspire the theories relating stones and eidolons. That is why. Oh, I'm sorry. I was lost in thought again. It's okay. Where's my room on the globe? Oh, your room is much too small to point out on this globe. What about the castle? That I can do. How long has it been? 8 years? Time passes quickly. But I haven't changed. I continue to collect and research these items. Where did you find these globes? I'm sorry. It's an antiquity. It's broken, as you can see, but I use it as an observation deck. Ironic, isn't it? Looking up at the sky from inside the globe. It sure is. Princess, I don't mean to meddle in your affairs, but I'm on your side now and forever. Please tell me if there's nothing I can do. With the thought. I see, so the Queen's forces have already grown quite powerful. Okay then, it might be dangerous, but I shall see that you reach Alexandria. How? I had an old transportation device remodeled in the case of such an emergency. Good, please. Ah, we have finally returned to Alexandria. I'm coming with you. What? Why? I can reach blank more easily for Alexandria. Yes, come with us, Marcus. Okay, Steiner. Let's go say blank and restore my mother to inform myself. Is there any more chests here or no? In case anymore? Or no? to the Gargan Brew. Yes. This is Gargan Brew, an ancient travel route between Treno and Alexandria. Why was this thing built under a tower? Actually, Gargan Brew was in use long before even the invention of airships. The tower was built on top of the discussed tunnel. But it looks... What's up? No. Sorry, I'm just a little bit sick today. It looks fairly new. I convinced Mr. Bishop to keep this place intact. I haven't used it since it was remodeled, mind you. We must first activate the tunnel connections sequence and call the Gargan inside. Let's see, where was this sequence trigger? So, all we have to do is find the sequence trigger. For instance, let's find it. Okay, well actually, I said yet. Actually, if I do, I'm gonna do the magnet. Has it got him? Magnet? Oh, there's nothing. Okay, there's no level for him. I have to find the other Koopas. Because I think I got a couple of letters that I haven't delivered yet. But there must have been like 1 or 2 Koopas that I've missed. Okay, going to save that and be back in 2 seconds.